Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a fart noise with your hands in this way. There are two versions. The first version is using one hand with a table, and the second version is a two-hand version like this. Let's get started with the one-hand version. Before getting started, you need to know how it works first. Imagine your two hands are two suckers. When you bring these two suckers together and then try to pull them out, there will be some air goes into the gap between your palms, and then it makes the sound. First, put all your fingers together and keep your palm and fingers straight. You can also bend a little bit backward if you can, like this. Next, place your palm on the table with the upper edge of your palm on the edge of the table, like this. Your hands position should look like this. Finally, bend your finger downward like this. You should feel some air between your palm and the table. If not, adjust the position and try again. Once you feel the air, add some pressure and the sound comes. You can also do it with two hands. Just replace the table with your left hand. Put your right hand on the left hand, and then use your left hand's fingers to grab your right hand, and then you can try. Like the table version, you may need to adjust the position a few times before you can make the sound. Let's try and enjoy. Cheers!